Let's go.
I'm not recording no video.
We're not recording, I'm just testing it out.
Should I take this off? No? You don't
Want to? Alright, so what y'all want first?
Okay,
What you want to eat? Huh?
I think about to die.
Yeah, I can hear. I know, I'm just gonna record till it die. We ain't got that much, we only got 13 minutes of record time anyway. It's the GoPro, baby.
Oh my God.
Yeah, boys be hating on the GoPro.
Hey, babe, what you want to eat?
See how good it is. I don't know what the little taco place at anyway. So I'm gonna get her food first. Huh?
Why you didn't ask me?
It's on Gosling somewhere that I had looked up. Hold up.
That is annoying.
Bro, is it still recording? No, it didn't. It's still recording.
Why you tell us your feet was touching the front of them shoes like that? You want Whataburger?
Whataburger? 24,600 Gosling Road. Alright. Big Mom said she's gonna go in half. Says 3 miles from there.
Wait, it's not that hot here. Yeah, dang.
So we go straight up 4 miles and then turn right.
Stop right there.
Yep, maybe slow down.
I think he the one that be circling the street right here because he tried to get me one time.
Yeah, he gonna try to get us watch, but our tag is good though. He gonna think it's bad.
Nah, they can look that up in the system, can't they?
He'll still pull us over to check it. But let me make sure I'm doing the speed limit and everything though, so he won't have anything else to say.
Man, I think he already seen you speed.
I wasn't speeding. Oh, he ain't worried about us. He on his brakes with gas like he wanna come out here though.
You do? Oh well, man.
Oh no, we legal, we straight.
Yeah.
What, Paris?
Get it, babe.
This ain't sticking to the surface of it either.
Hey, why you gotta breathe hard? All you gotta do is grab the bottle.
Yeah.
Man, I wanna get this oil changed. You tripping with yourself.
Yep, we
Been
don't
almost
need
a
to.
damn year. Damn, I almost forgot we were at the damn house. I'm gonna say somebody did some crap.
I'm thirsty. I should have stopped and got me some water or something. Dashed it in the mud, man.
Man, you should be as always packed.
Packed like a mug, man.
Like it's a hair or something sticking out.
We're gonna get the tacos first, then we're gonna stop and get Peyton and Paris food.
The hell, you gonna make the kids starve first?
They don't make them starve.
Man, you ain't sent Brian that money yet.
I already sent them that this morning.
Oh. He texted me. I told him I don't think you sent it yet. He'll see it.
What, did I send it to the right person? Shit, I don't know. Let me see.
If not, somebody better go shopping.
Yeah, look.
I already sent it to my mama then.
It don't stick good to this surface right here. I'm gonna put that sticker back on now. What is it?
She hungry. She ain't ate nothing all day.
What? What?
Can you listen to the radio, please?
You want to hear the same old shit every day?
I ain't heard that in a while, though. I ain't gonna lie. Well, when ain't nobody talking all day.
Sports radio.
So?
Listen to some YTs then. It's a long ass light.
There it goes, screen.
Oh, that's your shit. Should have knew that was your shit with that bullshit on there.
Yeah, it's T.I. T.I. be jamming. What you talking about? Is that a school?
I think that's that school showing that I'm talking about, huh? 3 more miles. Dang, he go way down here.
So I'm saying we'll get that
You
food
the type to
first.
make me stop and take a glance, girl. Wondering how you feel all lit up in them pants, girl. Say you're not with the one that stand in romance, girl. But for tonight we're switching places and I'll be the one that's giving it up. I'm giving it up tonight, girl. I'm giving it up. I'm giving it up tonight, girl. You the type to make me stop and take a glance, girl. Wondering how you feel all lit up in them pants, girl. Say you're not with the one that stand in romance, girl. But for tonight we're switching places and I'll be the one that's giving it up. Lil' mama, what it is? Girl, it's a fact that the max up in here. I see you got that ass, can David come and cop a feel. Don't worry about your drinks tonight, your bargain front the bill. Fresh outfit, fly with